Guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have ULEFONE 70 Pro and I want to show you how to see available RAM on this device. Starts off opening our settings application and it scroll down to our system selection, and there we have our developer option. But when you don't have it there, we must activate it by tap on our system selection, find your build number in our about phone, find your build number and tap sometime to activate our develop mode. When you activate it, choose our system selection and developer option. When we have memory, and now we can read information about our available random access memory, that is 8.73 gigabytes. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye.